Good morning, Facebook and paint fans. It's Saturday morning, time for another day of fluid art fun. We're going to go into Raphael's class, and it's making a cloud effect. Let's go take a peek.
This one's over here. This will prevent cracking. Okay. Any doubts so far? Pretty simple. Nothing scientific or nothing. No. As you saw, I used the same cup. One part house paint, 2 parts leather, and half part glue. Then you mix it. We will see how beautiful the paints are going to be for this. As I was telling you, a little goes a long way. If you add too much real paint, the real paint will take over and it will hide all your colors. So I will show you with the paint I'm gonna do, so you have an idea how much. So let me do a question. What do you guys want me to do? A ring pour, a dirty pour, flip cup? What do you want to see? Dirty pour, right?
Don't be shy. There's a lot of voices in here.
Dirty pour.
Good morning.
Oh, just something exotic.
Something exotic, she said.
Dirty pours.
That's the one you have.
Dirty pour is simple.
With the resin on it.
That's what dirty
Whatever
pour.
that is.
I got a lot of dirty pours. Let's see.
Alright. Now we can do a pick up in 1 cup. Like we did yesterday. Those are 3 ounces. The small ones, huh? 3 ounces.
Whatever I put inside of one didn't work.
You can find that the dollar store.
Uh-huh.
They sell that.
One cup is gonna be good for 2 people. Okay. So start distributing.
Have you tried any other colors of milk paint? Like
Yes.
to do a light blue
Yeah.
or,
You can add acrylic to that.
Yeah.
And you can change the color.
How are you today?
I'm doing great.
Good. I'm doing well, thank you.
Nervous here.
Oh, I don't want to make you nervous.
No, you just kidding.
I'm just making you a star.
We're happy. No hurricane. So
No hurricane, it's good.
Please keep praying for that too.
Amen.
Go.
Amen.
It looks like the skin of coat.
Is everyone having a good time? Yeah. You're learning from a great man right here, I tell you. I'm so jealous I can't be in here with you. I guess I'll have to have him give me a private lesson. Ooh, his wife will be there. Now.
They going to Seattle?
Yes.
He's going to Seattle. Absolutely. We're looking forward to it.
That's a long way from here.
Yeah, but no hurricanes there.
No, they have
Earthquakes. I know.
refrain shower.
Yeah.
Let me just give me a bigger cup. Yeah. So I'm gonna start layering the colors. The first thing I'm gonna do is use a little real paint in the bottom.
Two shades of blue, silver, and black.
And then instead of pushing down the paint, I'm just laying it on top. Okay. When you guys use your small cups, you can put it in the side too, and I will teach you that later. Then let's get the blue one. That was the. Yes, we have that one. This is the phthalo blue with black. some mix I do that I like because the color blue is beautiful color, but when you add black to it, it creates something that I like a lot.
Oh, that's a rich color.
Black takes over. It's like pushing.
Yeah, but you don't need a whole lot of the black.
Then this is the violet. A little more new thing. Just a little.
You're going down the side and squiggling across?
Yeah, this one is in the side.
Oh.
In the bottom it was just in the bottom. Then I put layers on top of the white.
So that's when you're squiggling.
Exactly. And now I put it to the side. Just a little. That's okay. Not very much. You need to use the other.
So you only put one layer of each color?
Because this is such a small canvas.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'll explain you my madness later on.
You have you have madness?
Yes. This is Decor Extreme Shear. That makes the pearls in the bottom, but instead of going white, they will expect to go, and like they say, just a pour. If you guys want to stand up and come here, it's the best way to see what I'm doing.
I know.
And you see how the cells begin to develop? Let me see if I can remember yesterday. Let me check something.
He hasn't even done anything yet. The cells are developing.
Everybody likes it yesterday. Yeah. Oh, I love that.
Okay, now in order to get the pearl cells, you need to put milk paint in the outside, so that when this painting slides over this paint, it creates those marvelous cells in the outside, pearl cells. Okay. So you saw me. I only added a little white, and you see how it works. I'm visiting all corners.
The milk paint makes cells.
Yes.
Now, is that you ran around the outside a little runnier than you layering, or same consistency?
This one is a little thinner,
Okay.
and in 15 to 20 minutes you'll see the difference. It won't show now, but it will show like later on. A little torch to get rid of bubbles. It's funny because I say a little torch and they say that's not a little one.
Imagine if you needed a lot of torch.
You see the cells beginning to develop. So this is what we're gonna do. We have different options. I have plenty of 3 cups in 1 cup if you want to do it that way. We can put layers of paints and then we're gonna do the pour. We can do the strain. And the strain is I have the spinner here if somebody wants to do it too. We have the colander, which is also another technique. We can put the paint on top and it creates something very nice. So it all depends on you guys.
So the milk paint is better than the enamel?
I find it more easy to work with.
We'll come back
Cutting it out and
in
everything.
20 minutes and see how those clouds turn out.
I found this one a lot easier.
Okay, we're going to walk on over to Maureen Gassick's class. She's working with the Golden. She's a certified Golden instructor. So come on along with me. She has a smaller class.
Otherwise, they're $5.
This is skins.
Not my used ones. I have a couple that aren't in the bag that I haven't been used. So, but it's great because you get like these. You guys are gonna be able to use this. You're gonna be able to take this, cut it up, and play with these. So these I brought for you. Most of these are on these cutting boards. Cut it up, paint it, do whatever you need to do to play, to build, to. I want you to explore this. I want you to explore these skins. Now the reason I keep these skins like this, because if I do this, they will stick together. They will love each other and be married forever. Well, no divorce. No divorce going on. Okay. Yeah. All right. So
Good morning,
this-
Maureen.
Hello.
How are you? What class are we in? Which class are we in?
Skins and applications.
Awesome.
Yay.
Hey, everyone.
So I pre-created stuff for you to play with. Okay, so this is interference paint that's put into a medium. See how that shifts?
Yeah, you feel like a mermaid.
Yeah.
That's a paint.
It's paint and medium.
Right.
Interference. Yeah, interference. So I did the interference on this too. I used the ideas, the fancy. So I used this raffia to create. I'm creating a skin. I can cut this up and shape it. I can make an exacto knife and cut a shape out. I can zigzag it. I can weave it. I can do anything with this. You gotta think out of the box.
Yeah.
You have to think out of the box.
So that's the gel with an iridescent.
Okay,
This is
more
iridescent
classes
art.
coming on.
This is the interference in it.
We are heading over to Stephanie's class. I'll be right.
Oh, which one you got?
Are we wrapping up this class? Okay, this one got done. I'll be back shortly.